Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to GCash. Now, that's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then open Bybit. Now, open the Bybit link. After that, just simply log in with your account. And once you will do that, just simply click on your asset section at the top. And then right over here you have the withdraw option. Click on it. Now, choose the coin that you want to withdraw. So in this case, it's going to be USDT. Now enter the wallet address of GCash and then the chain type from GCash. Now, in this example, I will be using Phantom Wallet. You can use GCash. Now, once you will be in your GCash, just simply copy the address of your particular wallet. So in this case, it's going to be USDT. So paste the address right over here. Then enter the chain type, then the amount. After that, just click on confirm. And the moment you click on confirm, it will take a few minutes and then your crypto will be withdrawn from Bybit to GCash. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.